Friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up in Please Donate. So if you want to set up your stand in Please Donate, first of all you must have created some items like game passes, shirts and clothes. So if you haven't created yet, let's do that. How will you create a game pass in Roblox to set up in Please Donate? First of all, here I have to go to roblox.com and it will take you to the login page first. So first you have to log in with your username and password. After that it will take you to this home page, and now you have to tap on this create button. So if you haven't enabled the desktop version or desktop mode, you have to tap on three dot to enable it. If you are using iPhone, then you have to tap on you have to tap on two smallest and capital A icon in the search bar. So just tap on it to enable the desktop version. So once you enable, now just tap on this experience image. Now just tap on it and tap on this menu button and tap on this associate items. Now to create a game pass, you have to tap on passes, or you can create a cloth item as well, but you need Robux for that. So but if you want to set up for the free in Please Donate, you can create a game passes free of cost. Just tap on create a pass and let me tap on it again. So now image is now optional. So if no image is provided, so default image will be used. Now you can enter the name of the game pass like testing, and you can enter the description, but it is also optional. Now you have to tap on this create pass button. So a game pass will be created. Now you have to configure it for the sale. So just tap on it and tap on menu and tap on sale button. Enable it for the sales and enter the price. You can enter any price, so I'm gonna enter 100 Robux. Just tap on save changes. Now once you created a game pass, now it's time to set up. So you have to again tap on play button to play it. Now look for any empty stand to set up your stand. So there's multiple. Just tap on stand button to claim it. You can see that. So that's how you can set up your stand in a Please Donate. So if you want to edit this text at the top, you can edit by enter the text you want. So please donate and just tap on apply. So you can see that your message will be labeled here at the top, so you can see. So yeah, that's how you can set up your game pass. If you want to buy some if you want to customize your, you need to buy these things or these game passes. So just tap on it to buy, and you need to, or you can change, basically it is a theme to change your stand. So if you want, you can do that, and at the bottom you will see that all the rise Robux will be updated at the bottom of the stand. So yeah, hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. That's how you can set up your stand in the Please Donate.